Selamat datang.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Kakak dan anak-anak. Ya. Baik. Kenalkan nama saya Bu Emma.
Bu Emma.
Akbar.
Kabar saya baik.
Saudara dari mana?
Saya dari Solo.
Sentral Java.
Solo.
Solo Central Java, Indonesia. Solo Central Java.
Oh ya, selamat siang.
Selamat siang.
SMA.
SMP. Junior high school.
Junior High School.
Junior high school.
SMP Solo.
Yes.
Ya. Kami di sini adalah mahasiswa perguruan bahasa di Universitas New England. Dan kami berada di kampus Parramatta di Sydney. Ya, ini kami. Kami ingin mengucapkan selamat datang ke hubungan virtual kita, ya. Selamat datang. Sekarang ini kami ingin mengundang Anda untuk mengajukan pertanyaan yang mungkin ada untuk kami di sini.
Screen ya? Monitor screen. Oke.
Ada pertanyaan? Boleh dalam bahasa Inggris?
Oke. Monitor ya? Oke. Go first. Yes.
Hello. I am Lisa.
Pelan-pelan ya, pelan-pelan. Pelan-pelan.
I am Lisa.
Halo Rita.
Do you find difficulties in learning bahasa Indonesia?
Yes is the answer. Ada pertanyaan lagi?
Ya.
Pelan-pelan, ngomongnya pelan-pelan.
Hello.
Halo.
My name is
Hello.
Vicky.
Hai.
Halo.
Why are you interested in learning bahasa Indonesia?
Does anybody want to answer that question? Okay.
Okay, I will explain this in English.
Yes.
The students here are learning to teach languages, but only 3 of the people here, I think, learn Indonesian. There are many languages here, not just Indonesian. We have Chinese teachers, French teachers, German teachers, Spanish teachers, Italian teachers, and lots of English teachers.
And hello, we at Armadale will have more groups. Okay. All right. Okay. said Armadale, which is another campus of University of New England, we have another group. Yeah? Yeah, let's just wave and say hello.
Are you happy?
Ada pertanyaan yang lain?
Yeah. Yeah. Terus next go.
Hello,
Hello.
my name is Kranchi.
Pelan-pelan, pelan-pelan.
Ranchi.
Why does Indonesian language need to be learned there?
Any takers? I'd be happy to answer that one. Indonesia is a very near country to Australia. We are neighbours.
Yeah.
We need to have a good relationship with each other as people who live in the same region. We need to understand Indonesia, Indonesian people, Indonesian language, Indonesian culture, just as you are learning English to understand about English-speaking parts of the world. So we think it's really important that Australians, many more Australians, are able to speak Indonesian and spend time in Indonesia and develop better relationships with Indonesia. Okay?
We also have people from Indonesia studying with us to be English teachers. We have one. Would you like to speak to your country fellow?
Yes.
Halo Indonesia, saya dari Medan, Sumatera. Nah, saya mau bertanya ya, di sana senang nggak belajar bahasa Inggris?
Senang. Sangat senang.
Ada mengalami kesusahan tidak untuk belajar bahasa Inggris di Indonesia?
Ada banyak. Apa ya?
Boleh salah satu orang yang menjawab, jangan semua, jadi kita nggak dengar.
Banyak gramarnya, habis itu cara ngomongnya itu sulit. Pronunciation-nya.
Pronunciation-nya nggak mengerti, begitu?
Iya.
Jadi dengan begitu, apakah ada kendala yang lain? Apa memang ingin belajar bahasa Inggris atau tidak mau belajar bahasa Inggris?
Satu orang.
Ingin belajar bahasa Inggris.
Pingin ya?
Ya.
Oke, terima kasih.
How will you use English in your lives? How will you use English? Hello.
Hi, my name is Raras.
Hello, Raras.
I just graduated last year from here.
Yes.
And how we practice English here is that 4 days of the week we have to speak in English towards each other, whether it be inside class or outside class.
That's very good. We think that's a really good model for us as well. And very good English speaking.
Let's see if the students have any further questions to ask us. Do you have any questions to ask our teachers here?
I am Ima.
Pelan-pelan.
you now after speaking with us in Indonesian language?
Yeah, that's a good question. What I answer that?
Yes, we have someone here.
Okay, great. Yeah.
Hello.
There's the camera. I'm Claudette, and I speak English and Japanese. And after the course this weekend, I'm also very interested in learning Indonesian now. So I hope that I can learn Indonesian too.
Okay.
Do you learn other languages? Apart from Indonesian, English, do you learn other languages?
Yes. I understand English.
We also study about Arabic language.
Arabic, yes.
Yes.
Any others?
Korea.
That's very good. We wish all of Australian students would speak 3 languages. That would be a very good aim for us.
Yes.
Yeah. And are there any more questions?
My name is Natasha.
Hello, Natasha.
Okay, I want to ask, how many people are interested to learn Indonesian language?
Semuanya.
Sorry.
Ada lagi?
Would you like to ask us any questions?
Any more questions?
Maybe please,
Oh yeah,
some
ada.
of you want to practice your Indonesian,
My
okay?
name is Stephanie. I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
When do you start to learn English? From primary school or high school? When do you start to learn English out of school?
Satu orang.
Sekolah dasar.
See, we have different backgrounds here. We come from all parts of Indonesia. And are you asking us personally or from the school? When
No,
we
no, no.
start?
Generally speaking, like for example, so when you schools introduce English subject, like one subject.
From
So generally, you have to start learning English from high school, or some schools start from primary school.
from primary school.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to. We start
Are
learning
there
English
any
from primary.
primary schools? Okay. So maybe from secondary. I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
some do.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Would the
We have-
teacher ask his question again, please? Sorry.
Yeah, we have a question from Amadeo. Sorry.
Oh, just wait a minute, Gordon. The teacher who asked the question, we didn't quite hear you. Would you mind asking again, please? Pertanyaan dari guru.
Okay. Maybe we just want to introduce our school, Asalam, as our school is not like other schools in Indonesia. So I will introduce you, Mr. Sular.
Tukar
Maybe you
kursi.
can go
Tukar kursi
in
enggak?
front of the camera. I want to introduce our school about 2 minutes for you.
Depan Pak Sular, depan. Keluar ya, keluar.
Thank you, that would be very helpful.
Yeah, okay. This is Mr. Sular.
Ya, oke, tengah.
Yeah.
Ya, sip. Oke.
Hello.
So we can see you well.
I'm Sulam, English teacher of the school. Yeah, on behalf of the schools, we come here along with some students and some teachers. Need to introduce a glance about my schools. My school belongs to boarding schools. All students are required to live in the school no matter where they come from. And we have more or less 2,500 students from all over my country. Yeah. We are all interested. We are all interested in learning English because English here is one of the 2 compulsory languages required to speak in this boarding school. Okay, I need to ask you one more question. Is it possible for me to be there to be Indonesian native speakers one day?
Is it possible to be an Indonesian language teacher in Australia?
I mean, is it possible for me,
Is that what you
to be teachers, to be there to Australia, to be Indonesian native speaker one day teaching them? Yeah, it is.
Yeah. We need more Indonesian teachers.
Yeah, I think you'd better tell us the detailed requirements to be there and salary as well. What do you think?
Yes, we do require more teachers. Yes, you will have to do an English test, but it sounds to me like you'll pass that.
Is my English understandable for you? Is my English
I
understandable?
can't quite hear you, sorry.
Is my English understandable there?
Very, yes, it's very, very good.
Okay, that's all my introductions. You can ask me further. I will answer as much as I can. Thank you.
Thank you, that's very interesting about the school. So it's a boarding school where English and Arabic are both compulsory languages. Yes?
Yes.
That's really fascinating. Is it just girls at your school?
No, it's boys and girls.
Yeah.
Boys and girls.
Boys and girls school. So maybe we have around 1,100 male students from junior high to senior high, and also we have around 1,100 female students from junior high to senior high. All of them are living in the dormitories for 24 hours, no matter where they come from. So maybe some of them come from Medan, like in Arvidale, the student there. Hello.
Yeah.
We have some students who come from Medan, from Aceh, from Central Java, from Papua, even from Papua. We have some students from there, from Bali as well. From Bali. We live together in a campus, maybe around 5 hectares. For 24 hours again, yeah. That's just for adding the information which has been delivered by Mr. Sular. This is our school. So,
Thank you.
yep.
We have some schools where the students live in as well, where they board, but not all of our schools. Just the same as you, not all of your schools. This is a special school for you, isn't it?
Yeah.
We'd like to thank you very, very much for your time today. Was there another question from Armadale Sworchung?
Yes, Anne-Marie. Hello, everyone. I have a question for the students. I have a question for the students. Which language do you find the most difficult to learn? English or Arabic?
Arabic.
Is it the writing or the speaking that's hard?
One of you stay back and speak up.
For us, Arabic is more difficult than English.
Für mich zu leisten.
belum.
Speaking in Arabic is harder than English.
Thank you. Thank you very, very much. We need to go now. It's been lovely to meet you, and thank you very much for giving us your time. Terima kasih banyak.
Hello. Okay. Thank you, Papa. Thank you very much. See you next time.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Nazar.
Finish.
Yes. Hanya segitu saja.